We are out eating and we're at Burger King. Burger King. Sorry, ready to eat? Eat. Ready to eat? Look at your face. No, Sarah, me not dress you like this again. No. Good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new hot day here now. Super hot. And we are hot on the street. We are out and about going to run some errands today. As time winding down to vacation, we're making sure that we're checking off all the things that we need to do before we go. Which includes getting Tyler stuff ready for school. So the main reason we are on the road today is to go and pick up all the final things that Tyler need for school come September, so that when we are away we won't have to worry about it, and when we come back we won't have to rush to get those done. So we're gonna pick up a few goodies for Tyler among some other little knickknacks that we need in the house. And we are easy on the supermarket shopping because we need to knock out as much as we have in the fridge so that nothing won't spoil on us. So that's what we're doing today. The fam bam is out and dancing. Say hello, Tyler.
Hello.
Look in the camera, please.
Hello.
Oh, no wagwan? No wagwan today? Oh! Yeah, Sarah, say hi. Uh-oh. Sarah, say hi. Sarah, look at me. Say cuckoo. Show them your pretty shoes and your pretty outfit. Wow. She said wow. Anyway, you guys, so we are out in these streets. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Whatever it is that you're doing today, have fun doing it, but make sure you guys stay safe. If you're not vaccinated, take extra precaution and wear your mask and do what you gotta do. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. No? Tyler started shouting. Remember, this is the first supermarket we used to go way back, but the supermarket has changed up so much. Everything is in new spot. It has expanded. We're looking for our favorite pizza, but we can't find it. It's not there. No options, and it would be here. They don't even have any other cheesy crust to substitute. So you guys, it is sale period here in France and so many things are on sale, so we're just picking up things in the sale section so that way we get them on good price, like diaper for Sarah and shower soap and laundry soap and stuff like that. No, princess, no. You guys, we are out eating and we're at Burger King. Burger King. Sorry, ready to eat? Eat. Ready to eat? Look at your face. She's like, give me my food. This is Sarah's? Yeah. Keep it. Then what? Looks yummy. Why? Oh, they give fries and not wedges. Okay. Yummy? You can eat now. Ooh. Look like I can burn you. Give it to me. Ah? Yummy! Yay! Hot. Oh. Sprite? You have to drink it through here. There's no straw.
Tiens-le bien, ton top.
Chicken! Yummy chicken!
It is just like Sprite.
It tastes yummy?
Yes, it is just like Sprite.
You want juice? Juice please, mama? Very good. Babe and I enjoying this. They don't give any fork either?
Eh?
They don't give any fork either?
Yes, for this.
Oh. Babe and I enjoying this fries. So good. And babe have a sandwich. And me, I have a nice, yummy looking salad. Yeah.
Why don't mix it?
I will. But I'm gonna eat my fries first. Okay, now you sit please. That's fine? You enjoy your food?
Yeah.
Okay? Very good. Eat up. You guys, this is what I work out for, to eat whatever I want. Work out so I can eat like this, okay? Every now and then, so you won't have to worry about putting on weight. Work it off again. Anyway, it's so hot and we're here chilling at Burger King. Sadly, the kids can't go in the play section because of COVID. As you guys can see, the hole is closed. The entrance door is closed, so they can't go play. But Sarah ate off all her food. Look at the table. Sarah, look.
Sneakers, M&M's.
You can say the M&M's. Anyone, it no matter. Take one. I don't know how they taste, so I can't tell you.
Sneakers.
I can't tell you. The only one I've ever tasted is the M&M that you took. So just take any topping, it don't matter. Okay. Babe gone to get an ice cream for the three of us. We don't want one each, so we're gonna share. Because only Tyler had ordered ice cream. But now we taste Tyler own and everybody wants ice cream. So we all having ice cream and Sarah love ice cream. Ice cream? You want more ice cream? Come, let me take it up for you. Giving her ice cream from Tyler ice cream. Look at her. She's so funny. Sarah always here. Oh my gosh. Can I have some of your hair? Can I have some of your hair? Hmm?
You can have some of mine, Mom.
I can have some of your hair?
Yes, take some.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, it's that big.
Yeah, because that's the little one is only for the kids.
Ah.
So don't go get that food.
Ooh, so baby came back with M&M ice cream with a dash of chocolate. Look at little Miss Sexy. Look at little Miss Sexy. Funny. That diaper won't change. You're too sexy, Sarah. Your diaper won't change. She not too sexy, honey? She not too sexy? Sarah, where's your clothes? No, sir, Sarah. You need a shot, Sarah, little. Or a little. No, Sarah. Me not dress you like this again. No, 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 no. Too much legs. No, sir. Me not comfortable with this outfit, yeah. No, Sarah. You're too sexy. This way. No, come. Tyler, turn back. Look at my fine husband, though. You're so fine, husband. Husband. You're not answering me that you're fine? You're not fine? You're trying not drinking orange juice?
Yes, darling.
Uh-oh.
She hurt her head. Put this in the bin.
Oh. Oh. Sorry, I hit her head under the chair.
Do you want to ask Tyler his age in French, or you want to pass?
I'll pass.
You'll pass. Everybody laugh. So nobody wants to try that one. Okay, Leah.
Collage to Tyler.
Quel âge as-tu?
5 ans.
Again, Tyler.
5 ans. That
Okay,
means
so-
5.
All right. So I have a surprise for you guys, because we've been talking to Tyler so far, or trying to talk to Tyler in French. Did you know Tyler can speak English? Yes, we've seen that. But Tyler knows another language. Who wants to guess which language that is? You think Patois? All right. So Tyler, you want to tell them something in Patois?
Yes.
Go ahead, Tyler.
Wagwan Mayot. Midaya.
Okay, Tyler. That was very good, right? Very good patois.
I would say my favorite color is violet.
It's violet.
Violet. So her favorite is violet. Okay,
Violet.
Tyler.
Okay, that means purple.
Right.
Do you eat snails?
Liam says if you eat snails.
No.
Tell him about my parents do.
But my parents do.
Yes, they love. What do we say in French to
What is
for
snail
that
in
meal,
French?
Tyler? What is it called? What is it called in French?
It's escargot.
Escargot. Got that, guys? So snails in French, escargot. That's a nice meal for them, but not Tyler.
And my mother loves them.
Mommy loves it.
Yes.
All right. What does mommy eat it with?
What mommy eat escargot with?
Nothing.
By itself.
By itself.
By itself. Okay.
Wagwan, my youth.
And there, my youth from the Gaza.
Gaza.
Yes, yeah, Gaza done. Once you come from Portmore, you're Gaza.
Gaza.
If you come from
Kingston.
Kingston and Gully side, Portmore was there all day.
You know it's Gaza?
You know one place where they fight and kill people now? No? Am I wrong or am I wrong?
Yeah, no war
Gaza
zone.
is Gaza. War zone.
War zone.
Right. Vibes got a war god, that's why they call him Gaza, but musically. Well, if him war any other way, I don't know. I don't want no part of it. Stop your mouth like that. You look like you don't have no teeth.
My grandpa. You always tell
You
me
want
now,
to become
a
grandpa
grumpy
before
grandpa.
time, it's
I'm a
true.
grumpy grandpa.
It's true.
Don't go down too much. Right.
You know what they say, big belly?
It's more than my belly. Hi guys, it's the end of the day. It's 40 minutes past midnight.
Every time I say me I go to bed before midnight, I'm up until 1
One
o'clock.
of the workouts. In the morning we are very extremely tired, so that's payback. Sleep
Ah,
payback.
wake up.
But yeah, I had a good day. Sort out a good amount of things. We kind of did what we wanted to do. So
And did what you wanted to do.
so that's a good thing.
We
That's
got
a good
all
thing.
Tyler school things, and tomorrow we can sort them out and put his name on and pack his things and let it stay ready until September. So I won't have to worry about that when I come back from vacation
Oh, yeah.
at all. Make sure his bag's clean and ready for school.
So yeah, that was it for today. But we have some more adventure for tomorrow, probably. So I'm sure you're gonna watch that. I'm sure you want to watch that. Outside is still hot, so let's see what we find.
Feel for all my Belgians and Germanians that's flooding out like crazy.
It
My
happens,
gosh.
that's sad. It happens here last
Human
year in
nature.
November.
Mm-hmm.
Was a disaster.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope it's not as bad, and yeah, just stay safe wherever you are, and stay safe. So if you enjoy that video, give a
Thumbs up,
catch up and
keep up,
turn on the
notification bell
command down,
below.
and
We'll see you guys tomorrow. That was so cheesy, but we're out.